So here I am getting ready for put my makeup in. Y esto solamente lo entienden los latinos. Hey beautiful Glammies, what's up? How are y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new on Karbglam, you've got some one time here, welcome again. So today this video is to get ready with me because today I got my maternity shoot and I wanted to make something, you know how it is, something like special but soft but whatever, like fall style thing or something. And I'm gonna be using all the Colourpop collection and the little ray of sunshine just because I like nails done, fall nails and fall colors on my eyes. So I'm gonna be trying as well those different products. I pick what is the look that I wanted just now, so I'm gonna try to use all the Colourpop colors. I'm gonna be using as well the foundation. It's my first time, but I think I can give another video with a review about it, so I don't want to talk that much because the time is not my best friend and I'm rushing again. So let's gonna start it. So hola mi gente bella, mi gente latina, mi gente rica. So como les estaba diciendo, yo tengo mis fotos de maternidad y quiero un look como algo de fall pero suave a la vez. Ustedes saben, maternidad. Y ya tengo mis uñas listas para fall y hoy voy a estar probando lo nuevo de Little Ray of Sunshine by Colourpop. Es todo de girasoles. So si quiero estos tonos así muy fall. Y sí, vamos a comenzar. Voy a tratar de usar todo de Colourpop y lo primero que vamos a hacer es prep nuestra piel. Ya yo tengo toda la rutina como siempre y lo primero que vamos a hacer es preparar nuestra piel y voy a estar usando, como les dije, todos los productos de Colourpop. Voy a empezar con el Pretty Fresh Mist, que es para prep, para setting. Huele mucho a coco y me encanta. I love this product. We are using the mist, hyaluronic acid setting mist. I love smell like coconut. Oh yeah. So, and for prime my skin here in this area, I'm gonna be using Tatcha, and for prep my rest of the face, I'm gonna be using the Pretty Fresh. This is the combo comb. I don't use this that much. I feel like I don't like at all, so that's gonna try today, but I'm gonna mix with this. So in the part of the skin that you got more texture, I'm gonna apply like the Tatcha Silk Canvas, and this is gonna give me like a blurry effect. So it's so necessary. En el área donde tengo más textura voy a estar aplicando el Silk Canvas, que es uno de, ustedes saben, de mis favoritos, sobre todo para esta área, si tienen los poros grandes, lo que sea. Creo que deja un efecto como de filtro muy bello. Y me gusta aplicármelo aquí alrededor de la boca también. Y vamos a estar usando el primer de Colourpop Pretty Fresh. Yo no uso este constantemente porque de verdad que parece que no me cayera bien en mi piel, como que me pica. Entonces vamos a poner un tantito de ese suero, just a little bit. Okay, let's dry the skin for a little bit and get ready for the next step. So for the next step, I'm gonna use them for the first time on the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Foundation. You know, here is all the combo Pretty Fresh, and this is the first time I'm gonna be using because it's a new release. But you know how much I love my Teen Moisturize for those days that I don't want to dress makeup. So I'm using in the shade medium 100W. I think is my color. Estoy usando en el tono mediano 100W, o sea, caliente, warm. Y es mi primera vez porque es nueva. Pero les voy a traer un video donde yo les voy a ir hablando de un review, porque hoy les puedo dar primeras impresiones. So, voy a tomar mi esponja de Colourpop Pretty Fresh as well. Y vamos a empezar. Oh, muy linda. y yep, machea muy con mi color. It match perfect with my color and it feels like very lightweight. Se siente como muy, no se siente pesada, se siente muy ligerita en la piel. Bueno, tiene un efecto natural y he escuchado mucho hablar de esta base, pero mi rostro se está pelando otra vez y ya me acordé porque a mí no me gusta este Pretty Fresh. Siempre este primer me pela la piel, por eso es que no lo uso. My skin is again like the other day peeling, like, you know, like it contains silicone. And I remember now it's because I don't use this. Now I remember. Thanks God I just put a little bit, but I don't like this product at all. It's always do the same. How I know it's that product because in my nose and all the areas is good. And just right here is like peeling just in the places where I put it. So now let's go to the concealer. I'm going to be using the Pretty Fresh as well in the shade Medium 90W. Y este también es uno de mis favoritos. Muy bueno este concealer. No me eché base aquí debajo del ojo porque me voy a echar concealer. Y no quiero crear un efecto muy poderoso, ¿ok? Ok, ahora voy a estar usando como bronceador en crema. Ustedes saben mi Fenty Beauty y como mi Fenty Beauty. So I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty cream for contour and my cream for a natural effect. A little bit. Just give me like really natural vibes. Estos en crema de Fenty, mi favorito porque son tan naturales que me dan un efecto natural en la piel. Y así pasamos para sellar nuestro maquillaje. Tenemos el Colourpop en tono translúcido. So to set our makeup, I'm using Colourpop today in the translucent color. I'm gonna put just a little bit just right here. I'm gonna use a sponge and dip into it. You see how easy it is to snatch our nose here. So now let's gonna jump into the eyes. So let's gonna start with the palette. So when I saw this collection, I was so in love. Look at those colors. They're so beautiful and they all matter. So perfect for fall. And when I saw it, it remembers the Hot Honey from the Color Study, Colourpop, you know. But it's completely different because I compared them both and they're different. So I was gonna start. So I'm gonna take a big like blending brush, and this is the Morphe M441, and I'm gonna be blending in this color just right here because it's a light like yellow something, and the name is Happy. Como les venía diciendo, cuando yo vi esta paleta me enamoré completamente, me encantó. Y aquí estamos. Cogí el color más clarito de amarillo y lo estamos aquí dando. Recuerden que yo usé el mismo corrector para prime el ojo. So now we're gonna take the shade named Chilling. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna pack it off all here down my eye. Con el color llamado Chilling lo voy a aplicar aquí. Y ahora con una brocha mediana lo voy a mezclar. Ahora voy a coger esta brocha medianita y voy a coger este color llamado Sunny. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take the color Sunny. It's like a brighter shape, and I'm gonna be applying just right here. Again in the mobile crease. And blending all over with the same brush. So that creates like a beautiful effect, like everything is blending. Everything is mixed. This is how it looks by so far. So now I want to create like a hello moment. So I'm gonna be using the shade Sun Giant, and I just gonna put it here because it's like a dark brown, un marroncito más oscuro, y voy a ponerlo aquí en mi esquina del ojo. So now we're gonna be taking a packing brush. I'm gonna spray something there, and I'm gonna take a little bit of highlighter, but they have an eyeshadow that you can use, and I'm gonna create this like full effect. You see how gorgeous it is? Or with the same highlighter that you got, like you're gonna be packing here in a corner, and I already did the low part of my eyes. So for my down corner, I using those shades, the darker and the lighter, and then I put this down. So now we're gonna be trying those cream gel liners. They can in color gold. It's kind of in color gold, and it's can in a brown. It's super pigmented. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the brown one. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna create like a wing. I don't gonna use a liner, just gonna use them. They're very creamy. So now I'm gonna take in a small brush like this, and I'm gonna difuminate this. So now I'm gonna take this Stila eyeshadow like in goldish or some kind of champagne color. Like you can use glitter if you want. Puedes usar escarcha si quieres, y le voy a dar un toquecito así como, oh wow, super beautiful. So quedó un poco más intenso. Ahora sí vamos a usar el color doradito, que es muy cremoso, y lo voy a poner en mi parte de agua. And you see, wow, it's make a change. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using the Milani in the color Spice. And I'm gonna be using the Milani in the shade Tropical Nude. So now we're gonna test in the lip gloss. It came with the collection as well, and is in the shade Always Sunny. They have those shades. I don't like this. It's so teeny, like nail polish stuff. No me gusta la parte esta, parece que me fuera a pintar las uñas. Un efecto natural. Miren el maquillaje. Déjenme sus comentarios abajo. So natural look. Perfect for the occasion. So now I'm gonna be rushing right now. Oh, I'm gonna set everything first at all with a pretty fresh mist. Smells so good. So I set my makeup in. So now for the last one, I'm gonna be using my Miami Lady Lashes. So I came back with already, okay? Voy a regresar cuando esté lista. Me voy a poner las pestañas. So yes guys, that was the final result. So I decided to leave my hair straight because in the maternity shooting with my son I got like wavy, so I really didn't have time and I wanted like something different. So the makeup was the easiest, fastest makeup ever. I just did like boom boom boom, because when I say I'm gonna doing a lot of stuff happening, so I think it was an easy makeup. Another thing I want to mention is my beautiful earrings, and they came from the store, the Trendy Call. So if you want to purchase when she's stock, they go immediately, so you need to hurry up and just see that this is stocking. Now what I think about the collection. So the pan is super beautiful. I think I'm gonna use a lot of times. I'm gonna take out my money on it, and I definitely recommend it. And I give like 4 stars. The colors are stunning, everything. The only thing I didn't like that much was the pan gets so messy, but if you don't care, the pigmentation and the shadows are perfect, stunning. So what I think about the cream gels, I like it. This the goldest one. I didn't like the brown, but I know it's super beautiful, but it broke the point like twice, so I couldn't really make the review today. But they super pigmented. That one my favorite. It looks super brighter, super beautiful in my waterline. So in the lip gloss, what is the lip gloss? Yeah, and the lip gloss is just stunning. The only I don't like is the applicator, but just that, and it's stunning. I look good. So if I got some times, I can make some shooting or captions at the end of the video, but if I not, I'm gonna be busy. You know how those things are. So yeah, so guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy all those kind of get it with me videos. So if you did it, don't forget to subscribe, give me all the love, all the good stuff, and I love you all as well. See you the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.